Transferring your Google account to a new phone is a straightforward process whether you are switching from Android to Android or iPhone to Android, and here is an easy tutorial. Firstly, if you are moving between Android devices, Google makes it easy to transfer all your data including your Google account apps and settings just by signing in to it. Now, turn on your new device and make sure it is connected to Wi-Fi. Then open Google. Once you open the Google, tap on the profile icon or initial option available in the top right corner of your screen. Then once you tap on it, tap on the manage your Google account option available there. Then you will get to see add account option available there. Once you tap on it, tap on the add account on your device. Then all you have to do is sign in with your Google account. Enter the email and password associated with your Google account, and once signed in, you will have the option to restore data from your Google backup and select restore. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.